Good morning, RVRebel watchers, oops, and YouTubers, adjusting my steering wheel. And okay, so if I didn't tell you, I did take my van for the first time. I did tow with my van. I towed my camper with my van. I slept without my heat on last night, no heat, which felt really great. I am pulling out, it's driveway's on a slant, so I'm pulling out of my son's driveway and I am headed to the Ford dealership to get my dashboard fixed. It's kind of a gray day today, a little gloomy. It rained this morning. It stopped now. I don't know if the sun's gonna come out or not. Anyway, I don't know if the sun's gonna come out or not, but here's the camper over here there's my camper. Yep. Parked at my son's place. So anyway, I am on my way to, I don't have my attachment that holds the phone. I don't have it on the mirror, on the dashboard, or on the window right now because I took it off yesterday because the sun was beating right on the, I just put my seatbelt on. Yeah, there it goes. The sun was beating down on the window, so I had the, you know, the window shades on there. Anyway, so I had taken down my holder that holds my phone. I had it on the left of my steering wheel, but I'm going to put it back in the center where I normally have it. This way you can look out the window while I'm driving. So here I go. We're on our way to Ford. Pecky Webb Ford. As a matter of fact, this is where the Ford dealership we're going to is the Ford dealership that I had bought my last two cars from. Although they didn't have this car available, this vehicle available. It's very hard right now to get a Ford Transit van, a 2021. They have 2020s brand new, but not 2021s and not the all-wheel drive.
Today and not tomorrow. There's no time to borrow. Today is a good day to live.
So I'm here at Ford and thinking I gotta go around one more side, I think, to go to the service entrance. Do you know, in all the years, the last two vehicles, even the first vehicle, all three vehicles over 25 years, I have never had to bring my car to Ford for service. Isn't that amazing? So, I'm bringing it in for service for the first time. Yeah. Here I am. So I'm sitting having a cup of coffee here in the waiting room. Look at, I can plug my phone in. Got outlets. They got TV. They got coffee. Yeah, coffee. And the sink over here is big enough I could give Danny a bath in. Free water in that little cooler over there. Yep. Very, very cozy, nice little waiting room. Yeah. So I'm sitting here having a cup of coffee, waiting for my car to be fixed. My van. Yeah. And I was filling out my rebate forms for, I'm getting a rebate from Menards. $39, 11% rebate on a bunch of little stuff that I bought. Isn't that nice? Okay, so I gotta call my grandson Rocco. It's his birthday today. We celebrated it early, but today's his actual birthday. So they fixed the part that the guy broke, but it's still not lining up. In fact, it's got a bigger gap now than it did originally. So I'm wondering if that other guy messed it up, another piece up. Oh, I'm so frustrated. We'll see what happens. They're gonna try to fix the gap. Vehicle's all fixed. Everything is in alignment. This no gap anymore here. Let me see if I can get a close up of this. It's all great, no gap, just like it's supposed to be. Guy did a really nice job. See, somebody said something about there being a crack. There's no crack. This is supposed to be like this. This is a little piece in case you need to get in at something. I don't know. But I'm not totally happy. It's not Ford's fault, but it just seems like it's still a little bit loose over here. But it's better than it was. It's all fixed. And it's done. At least it looks just like it was brand new. Minus a few scratches here and there. You know. But wear and tear. I'm going to get a couple scratches on it anyway. So I'm going through this really, really cute town that I used to live in. Back when my son was in high school. And it's called Downers Grove, Illinois, and it is really a quaint little town. And just around the corner here, there's a movie theater called the Tivoli, and the Tivoli has the organ player that plays on Saturday nights. Yep. It's an old-fashioned movie theater with the old seats, and it's huge. And it used to be $1.50 movies. I think that went up now to $4, but still, what is such a deal? And you can see over to there's the train depot. There's also a great pizza place right next to the movie theater. And it's called Aurelio's. And I love Aurelio's pizza. It's really a good pizza. Real cheese, nice and greasy. Of course, there's a Giordano's here also, which is good pizza. And I used to actually have one of my beauty shops, when I had my beauty shops, was located right over here, down the street here in Downers Grove. After spring, there'll be a lot of festivals around here and outdoor dining and all kinds of stuff like that. Beautiful, beautiful, really old homes. Hey YouTubers, Rebel Watchers. I'm in my basement cleaning up. I came across Billy Bass. My big mouth Billy Bass.
Take me to the river, put me in the water.
I take Billy Bass with me everywhere I go. I like to put him out on my table. Don't worry, be happy. So I'm sticking my butt out the back of my RV, and passers-by on this busy street are getting a nice view of all my assets. I'm trying to put stuff in stores that I don't need or won't need, like right now, because I'm not going to be in the desert, so I really don't need 2 of these 7-gallon drums. Even if I boondock, I think 1 will be enough. Okay, so now I am in my my van, and I just
go past this light. Then at the next one, turn left.
Thanks, Abby. Abby's still with me in the den. Yep, Abby's with me in the den.
Use the left 2 lanes to turn onto North Yola Road.
So my nephew, my grandson's behind me, Anthony. He's gonna be 19. Yeah, and he's building out his
Turn left.
He's gonna build out the back of his pickup truck, and we put some Reflectix down on the bottom of the truck bed and along the sides, and he's got a cap on the truck, and he's been working on the truck. The truck is it's funny because the truck is older than him. It's a 1996 Toyota, which we were laughing yesterday because he's got so many keys. We had to go get some keys. You know, there's a key for the door, there's a key for the ignition, and there's a key for the gas tank, and there's a separate key, a 4th key for the cap, the window on the cap. Okie dokie, here we go.
Even if I'm falling down, I will keep on searching for my highs. You can say I lost my mind, I will keep on holding my head high. Even if the sky is falling down.